good morning. This is your Chef Prakash. Hope you are doing good. And today I am going to give you a very most important message for you all. And the topic is, are you eating the healthy fruit? Whenever we go to the market, we are buying some fruits. You notice that there is some sticker in all kind of fruits, for example apple, orange, or whatever it is, but we don't consider that one. We are simply buying and we come back, but there is a lot of matter is there. We have to know that very clearly. We are spending money and we are buying the things. It should be organic and it should be good for our health. So what is the thing I'm saying? If you buy, for example, apple or any fruit, this is the basic thing. If you see the sticker, it should be 4-digit number. It should be start with 4 or 3. The digit will start with 4 or 3. 4-digit number will be there, and the number will be start from 4 or 3, means it is full of grow with chemical. So please don't buy that kind of apple or whatever, any fruits. The second one is 5-digit code will be there, and it should be start with the number 8. It is genetically modified fruit, so this is also not good for our health. And third one is the 5-digit number, but it start with number 8. Okay, that is organic and good to eat. So these are the things you have to check before you buy the vegetables or fruits. Please try to check before you buy the fruits whether it is organic or genetically modified or it's a chemical. Okay, I will give the clear formula of this one in the description box. If you have doubts, please go and check, because in video you cannot observe it very clearly, but I will mention in the description box. Kindly check. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Wish you a happy new year.